There's nothing worse than when a medical professional who you trust fails to diagnose your injury or illness and you go on to suffer as a result. So I'm going to briefly explain medical misdiagnosis compensation, which will hopefully help you in determining whether you have a legitimate claim. In Australia, we have access to some great medical professionals who we can lean on when issues arise that threaten our health and well-being. This can have an absolutely devastating impact on you and your family, and seeking compensation can be the only way to get your life back on track. Medical misdiagnosis occurs when a medical professional diagnoses the wrong condition or fails to diagnose a patient promptly or altogether. Medical misdiagnosis can result in a worse outcome for the patient through delays in treatment, incorrect treatment, or no treatment at all. The reality is most medical misdiagnosis claims settle at mediation, where all parties agree on a medical misdiagnosis compensation settlement. However, if mediation fails, you may need to proceed to a hearing in order to obtain your compensation. In order to prove that a medical misdiagnosis has occurred, you'll need a medico-legal expert to undertake a thorough assessment and conclude that the medical professional was negligent and breached his or her duty of care. There's no doubt that medical misdiagnosis claims are extremely complex, and engaging a specialist medical misdiagnosis solicitor who will get to know you and build your case will give you the greatest chance of claiming all the compensation that you're entitled to. Most medical misdiagnosis examples include specific conditions where early treatment and detection is important to limiting the impact on you. A misdiagnosis or delaying diagnosis can result in worse outcomes, longer treatment times, or a significantly greater psychological and financial burden to you. Some common examples include cancers such as breast, colon, cervical, lung, and prostate, to name a few. Heart attacks, meningitis, strokes, deep vein thrombosis, and mental illnesses. Hopefully, this has been helpful to you. But if you're still unsure about medical misdiagnosis or need help with your claim, call Law Partners and have a confidential conversation with one of our specialist medical negligence lawyers today.